week it is nice. So V square is equals to M get cancelled, only what is remaining? K. So K into R square. So what is the relationship between V and R? Check it everybody. V square is directly proportional to R square, means V is directly proportional to R. So this is what you have to remember. So inside R increases, V also increases or decreases or? Inside R increases, V also increases or decreases or? Everybody? V is directly proportional to R. Speak loudly, both are. If R is increasing, V also what? Everybody. V also what, guys? If R is increasing, V also what will happen? Increases. Up to where? Up to where, brothers? Where R will become capital R. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please. That is what. So, both are directly proportional to each other. So, how the graph will be? How the graph will be?
Right.
Linear. Next, this is what? Up to surface. So surface it is maximum. Then what about outside? Outside it is very important. So outside means what is the formula? Everybody, whatever you have taken. Outside means, just now we have studied that. Acting towards to the center. So that is what? Mass. So that what is the formula? Everyone speak loudly. E is equals to what is that? Outside Ra. G into M divided by R square. Am I right or wrong? Everybody. That's
Yes,
all.
sir.
So now outside is equals to, all of you will verify very carefully. So that is what E is equals to GM divided by R square, which is equals to GM, let me consider as a constant C. So constant divided by R square, that is what you have to remember it. Now you can see. So we all knows that F is equals to M into E. Now you can see F value, we all knows that. What is the F value? MV square by. What is the F value? Check it everybody. FC Ra, centripetal force, or whatever it is, you can take. So what is the value, everyone? F value how much? MV square by. F value how much, guys? MV square by R. And ME value something we got it before. Check it, everyone. All of you. So F is equals to MV square by R, which is equals to. Just now we have studied that. What we have done? E is equals to. Check it, everyone. E is equals to what we have done? Yes, brothers. E is equals to C by R square. So what do you mean by C? Constant means GM. So which is equals to, I can write it. So F is equals to, you all can notice it. So we all knows that centripetal force MV square by R, and this side, outside it is. And this is M, and E is equals to, check it everybody. E is equals to C by R square. So that is what. So now if you notice it, so what will happen? R and R will get cancelled. So next you can see M and M will get cancelled. So M is equals to, what is there? Everybody. So MM will get cancelled, sorry. V square is equals to C divided by R. Am I right, everyone? Speak loudly, everybody. If you're okay, I will be quiet. Then V is equals to root over C by R. From that, the relation is V is inversely proportional to square root of R. So now you tell me, if V increases, R will decreases or increases, or R will increases, E will decrease or increase. Everybody? Yes, please. Both are inversely proportional, and V square is equals to MM will get cancelled, C by R. So root over C by R. So V is inversely proportional to root R. Now you tell me R value increases. So what will happen? V value decreases or increases? V value decreases or increases? V value, R value is increasing. V value will decrease or increase. Both are inversely proportional, Ra. So what is happening? So if R, yes, so 1 by root R is increasing, V is decreasing. R is keep on increases, V is keep on decreasing. So what is the graph will be? Graph will come from maximum to minimum. That is what R is keep on increasing. So what is the correct answer? Anybody? See that how much big concept is remaining in the question. So what is the graph? Anybody can tell? What is the correct graph, Rudreswar? So first to see, first graph I can't. It is showing that first, okay, linear graph. That's fine. Later it is showing constant. So it is wrong. Now here you can see it's not a linear graph, continuously decreasing. So it is increasing. So it is also not. Third option you can see. Let me go with the fourth option now. Initially it is parallel to x-axis. So it is also wrong because it is a linear growth. So linear growth means this is what? Up to certain period it is a linear growth. Understanding? So by the time R will become R. That is what it is reaches to the maximum. That is what at the surface. So then from that point, it is continuously decreasing. So because that is what you have to remember. Because outside V is inversely proportional to root over R. Inside what? Anybody can tell? Inside, what is happening? V is directly proportional to R. Sariyama? Ellame? Understand, Amma? Kadri? Rudresh?
Yes, sir.
That is one.
Yes,
So,
sir.
such a beautiful question. So, what is the correct option, brothers? Are you clear, Mr. Rudreshwar, this question? Outside
sir.
and inside, that's all. So, midpoint is the maximum. On the surface is the maximum. Below graph is inside, above graph is outside. That's all it is. So, this is one of the most important question which I ask you to explain entire this concepts, where it is acting and all. So, please go through that. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. Again, I will explain. Any one of you. Please let me know. All clear? Everybody? Mr. Rishi is there. Who else missing? Murali is also there. Pradeep Virga. Pradeep, Rohit is there. And who is absent? Mane and Samaya and Mane also there. Yeah, okay. Proceed, everybody. Any doubt anybody can ask me? All of you. Please make sure you must ask me. Otherwise, there is no use of studying. That is what I am asking. You have to work. Make it quick, all of you. For those understand, for those?
Yes,
Aksha?
sir.
That is. So this is one of the question you can
Yes.
notice. If you have understand the concept, so it is the easiest one, so which we can answer it. So if you practice the questions related to this, at least few questions, so that will become very familiar. Now, once again, I want to say the point, all of you keep it in mind. If it is the hollow sphere, all of you observe very carefully. If it is the hollow sphere, no mass is located. That is what? More mass is located. So by that time, inside not only this, any point if I've taken of a hollow sphere, then inside E is equals to 0. Please remember that. Is it okay, everybody? Yes, please. But if it is the solid sphere, so outside remote, that is what? Entire mass is M, but entire this mass is M dash. So by the time, what is that electric field is equals to everybody? Gm divided by R. But here in the solid sphere alone, R increases. E increases or decreases? R increases. Increases. Because inside R is increasing, mass also keep on increases. Because I may take R up to here, you may take R up to here, I may take R up to here. But if I take here, only this mass will get. If I take here up to this mass will get. If I take here up to this mass, you will get it. That is what you have to remember. Okay, everybody. So like that, mass R is increasing, mass also increases only for inside. Inside solid sphere. That is what you have to remember. That is why inside E is not equals to 0 for solid sphere. E is equals to Gm divided by R square. That is what you have to remember. Are you clear, everybody? Speak, guys, all of you. Yes,
sir.
please respond. That is what it is. Remember. Now,
Yes, sir.
yeah, graph will be solid sphere. The graph will be first linear and then maximum and then keep on decreasing. For this one, what is a graph? Everybody. For hollow sphere, first 0 and then maximum and then keep on decreasing. So this is the graphs for hollow sphere and as well as solid sphere. Any doubt, brothers? Mr. Kadri? This is what. So we can find the velocities, we can find the whatever you want here, everything we can with the help of this. Anything doubt, you can ask me. Clear, guys? Everybody? Yes, Mr. Rohit, Sai Gardi. So this is what it is. Okay. So go through the question once again. Anything doubt, you can ask me. Then next one we are going to study. The next class we are going to make it. What is the acceleration due to gravity? That is what is a small g. What is g and what are the expression, how to derive the expression for g, which you studied in 9th class same, and what is, that is what, derivation of g, and you can see mainly how this g value will be calculated and what it is, how the g value variation of g from the surface, variation of g. So how what are the factors changing this g value, how it is differs and how to calculate, how to make the derivations. If I go above from the earth, above climbing, or if I started digging and moving towards to the earth, what will happen? This is what depth, this is what height. So what is the changes and how the g value we have to calculate it. These are all the things we will discuss in the next class. I hope till here. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. This is the 80 sum. Once again, you solve. If anybody having any doubt, you can ask. This is very simple. Outside it is E is inversely proportional to root over R, but inside R is directly proportional to velocity. That is what you have to remember. So with this, it is completed this concept. The next concept we'll study, that is what calculating acceleration due to gravity. What is the expression? What is the derivation? How to use it in the numericals. That's all the things we'll discuss in the next class. Okay. So this I'll stop. You can sleep and we can wake up in the morning. We'll meet in tomorrow's class. Thank you, everybody. I hope you all understand. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you, all of you.